Hello friends, hope you're having a great weekend. Today we are going to do a pre-market analysis on gold. Before going to the session, I would recommend you watch the pre-market analysis which was done on October 26, 2025. On October 26, 2025, I have given you two probabilities where I mentioned that gold from the position of 4111 can reach up to 3933 range to 3819 range, and I mentioned in this video that gold would rise from this area. And the second probability was gold was in a 4 hours time frame OB, or gold was in a 4 hours time frame order flow, and from that range there was a probability that market could go up to 4272 or 73 and fall. Here let's see what happened after this. Out of these two probabilities, let's see which worked out. So this was the area which I mentioned that market would go up, which is the first probability. From here, what happened was, because of the geopolitical situations and the news which were happening, gold fell from the support area to the area of 3896, which was mentioned in the first probability zone, from 3933 range to 3819. Let's see the same range in the daily time frame, 3993 to 3822 range. So here there was an fair value gap. I just reduced the fair value gap to the order block. Now from this range, let's see what happened. As mentioned in the first probability, gold has taken a support from 3896 and have gone to the range of 4048. And just imagine guys, if you are a person who has entered at this area which was mentioned in the 4 hours time frame, gold has given you a chance. From the second order block of the daily time frame, gold has tapped from 3896 range and have come up to 4046 range, where if you are a person who have entered at this area, you could have easily exited at this zone because gold came back to the buy position again. Now when you know there are two order blocks, for example here there is an order block in between 4056 and 3945, and the second order block is 3896 to 3819. When you know there are two order blocks, you can diversify your trades. You can take some trades at this area, and we can't say if this area will work out or not. Fortunately or unfortunately, this area didn't work out last day, but the second order block which was mentioned in the first probability has worked out and has given a profit of almost 1600 pips, or at least that was a break even. Now your question would be, what is going to happen next? As you know that gold has tapped on the daily time frame order block and it is rising from this area, and this was a 4 hours order block or a order flow, where when the support of this area is broken, this will act as a breaker block, or this will act as a rejection zone for gold or a supply zone for gold. So actually this is a supply zone for gold currently, and this the daily time frame there is a support zone for gold as well. This is a rejection, this is a support. So if you ask me, gold is in between a support zone and a rejection zone. From here I'll tell you two probabilities what is going to happen. So there are lot of geopolitical news that is happening. That has happened last week and that is happening even now. I heard that Trump has cut down some taxes for China and they are coming to a compromise. I heard this news today, and today you can see that market is in a selling order block as well. So what do you think? Gold, when the market opening, will it fall down from this area or will it rise? We can't say. But one probability is gold can come back to the buy this daily time frame buy zone again, and there are chances that maybe gold might rise to the top. We can't say, but there are chances that it might come down. Or else the second option is gold will remain in this selling order block, then the buyers will push the market to the upside, and if the 4056 range is getting broken, there are chances that market can take support from this area and go up to the range of 4194 range. Also, while checking, I can see there is a fib rejection zone also present in this area. So which I have drawn right now is a fib rejection zone, where I'll give it as it's a golden zone as an orange range, where from this area this area is in between 4194 to 4221. There are chances that gold would fall. There are chances, I'm not sure, but there are still chances that market will go and tap on the main order block plus fair value gap, and from here there are high chances that market will fall again. And if the buyers are strong, or if there is any news that is supporting gold and which will weaken the dollar, market would take small rejection, and after that it can break this order block, and while breaking this order block, this can act as a buy zone and gold will move further. So this is another probability that I can tell you. My dear friends, whatever analysis that we post, nothing is 100% correct. No analysis in this world is 100% correct. So even in the last week, we gave you two analysis. One is it will tap on the daily time frame and go up, or it will go up from the 4 hours time frame. So tell me which one worked out. The first option worked out, which was from the daily time frame. So when you see two order blocks, as I mentioned, you need to learn to diversify your trades. Like if you take some trades over here, either you need to have a proper stop loss below this, or you can hold the trades if you have a capital, and you can just continue buying from the zone of the daily time frame order blocks. So this is you should do that according to your psychology. So my dear friends, you need to trade very safe in the coming weeks, because gold is still in a no trade zone, I would say, because this range, this is a no trade zone. I'll never ask you to buy in this range, but I can give you a positive signal if the market is breaking 4056 range, if the candle is closing above in the 4 hours time frame or the daily time frame, then you can plan for a buy till 4194 range. Speaking about the news for this coming week, on Monday you have this many newses, on Tuesday you have job openings, and on Wednesday you can see some news including crude oil inventories, which can or cannot affect gold. So in this zone, or while this news is happening, make sure you do not overtrade and follow the proper risk management. So my dear friends, trade safe, trade with proper risk management, and learn to diversify your trades. Wishing you all the best, and thank you so much.